Hi everyone, today I'm sharing my 8-month journey with Epson L8050 printer. Is it still good? Let's find out together.
We start by printing a simple high-quality colored image on an A4 paper. Then we assess the printer's speed after 8 months of use. As you can see, each high-quality print on plain A4 paper takes between 30 to 35 seconds. If you switch the quality to standard, it will definitely take 15 to 20 seconds. Now, after printing on plain A4 paper, it's time to print on photo paper, sized for by 6 inches. The photo print quality is still at its best, and it has good speed too. After that, as you saw, printing a 4x6-inch photo takes about 1 minute. Now, we're examining the most important feature of this printer, ID card printing. The speed of this printer in printing ID cards is excellent, and it also maintains a very high quality. As you've seen, printing ID cards on this printer takes approximately 70 seconds.